Hey guys, today we're going to change the spark plugs on this 2009 Ford Focus with a 2.0. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button and comment below. It really helps me out a lot. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is take out this 8mm bolt right here that holds in the coil pack. Now when we've got that done, it might actually be easier to take this clip off when it's still screwed in. You're going to take this clip off right here, push this down, pull this clip off. Now that we've got that done, we can pull the coil pack out of here, just kind of twist and tug, pulls out like that. And there you can see your spark plug right down in there. So we are going to get a deep well socket and turn that out. Alright, we've got a 16mm deep well socket right there, so we're going to turn it out with that. Now we're going to get our telescoping magnet. I'm going to have Amazon links in the description below where you can get these and spark plugs. You can pull your spark plug right out with that, nice and easy. And you can put your new one in. I advise putting a little anti-seize on the threads here. Keep them coming out easy next time so you don't tear any threads out next time if you go a little too long. And that's pretty much it. Put the new one in and put it back together the way you took it apart. Repeat the process for all four. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, check out those Amazon links in the description if you want to, and have a good one, guys.